Borderline personality disorder, it does sound complicated. It's also referred to as emotional dysregulation disorder, a person whose emotions are dysregulated. Some of the symptoms include distorted self-image. They look in the mirror, see one thing, and it's really not there. They feel isolated, bored. They report feeling empty. They have mood swings, and those mood swings are sometimes severe and sudden, like a swinging pendulum. You don't know from one moment to the next. They don't know what type of mood they're going to be in. They can't help it. They feel anxious, overwhelmed, and when you feel overwhelmed, you start to question your own self-worth. There's a loss of interest in basic routine activities. Sudden suicidal thoughts, that's always at the forefront of the brain. They're thinking about checking out. It's so bad they just don't want to be here anymore. They're delusional. Causes, borderline personality disorder can be tricky. The exact cause is unknown. We believe that it is genetic, environmental, social. They're all found to play a role. A few common causes include social stress, hereditary abnormalities in the brain, Childhood abuse may also increase the risk of BPD. The risk factors include a family history of borderline personality disorder, stressful childhood, complications if untreated, self-harming behavior. They'll engage in cutting, burning, any other way to harm themselves. That reverts back to suicidal tendencies. Negative thoughts and feelings. There's nothing positive. They just have a hard time locking in on anything positive and good. Behavior is sometimes violent. They're angry. Sometimes what we would consider without cause, but it's internal conflict. And antisocial personality disorder they're diagnosed with as well. If you know of anyone with these symptoms, don't judge them. Reach out to them. Ask that they get professional help as soon as possible. Borderline personality disorder is not fun. The person sometimes thinks they're actually losing it. I'm happy one moment, sad the next. I'm up one moment, down the next. I don't want to participate in basic everyday things. I just don't know if my life is even worth living. I always ask the question, do you want to die or do you want your life to change?